Dorothy Hodgkin, the woman who saw molecules, 1910 to 1994. Oxford, 1964. In a quiet laboratory filled with X-ray equipment and crystal samples, a woman leaned over a glowing diffraction image, a delicate pattern of dots and lines. To most, it was chaos. But to her, it was a map. In those shimmering spots, Dorothy Hodgkin could see molecules, the hidden architecture of life. Born in 1910, in Cairo, Egypt, Dorothy Crowfoot Hodgkin grew up in a family of archaeologists and teachers. When she was 10, her mother gave her a chemistry set, an unusual gift for a girl in those days, and it changed everything. While others saw the world in color and shape, Dorothy saw it in atoms and bonds. She wanted to know how life was built, one molecule at a time. She studied chemistry at Oxford, then at Cambridge, under the legendary J.D. Bernal, the father of structural biology. Together, they explored a new and mysterious tool, X-ray crystallography, a method that could reveal the arrangement of atoms inside crystals. It was slow, difficult work, taking months or years to decode a single structure. But Dorothy had infinite patience. She often said, "I was captured for life by chemistry and by crystals." In the 1930s and 40s, while most scientists were drawn into the urgency of war, Dorothy quietly pursued the secrets of biology. She deciphered the structures of cholesterol, penicillin, and vitamin B12, each one a triumph of intellect and persistence. Her determination bordered on spiritual. She would sit for hours analyzing faint diffraction patterns, pencil in hand, tracing invisible connections. When she finally revealed the shape of vitamin B12, a molecule so complex it had baffled everyone else, the scientific world was astonished. In 1964, she received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for her determinations by X-ray techniques of the structures of important biochemical substances. She was only the third woman in history to win the prize. Yet fame never touched her. She continued working in the same modest Oxford lab, surrounded by students and kindness. When she was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, her hands became twisted and painful, but she kept drawing molecular models, slowly, gracefully, refusing to stop. In the 1970s, she solved another riddle, the structure of insulin, a molecule essential to life itself. It took her and her team 35 years. She called it the long adventure. Dorothy Hodgkin was not only a scientist, she was a humanist. She believed science should serve peace, education, and compassion. She was a mentor to young researchers, especially women, encouraging them to trust their curiosity over fear. Her students remembered her not for her lectures, but for her warmth, the way she listened, the way she made science feel beautiful. When she died in 1994, the world lost not only a Nobel laureate but a symbol of pure intellectual grace. Even today, her crystal models stand in Oxford, intricate webs of atoms, glowing softly under museum light. They are more than scientific artifacts. They are portraits of patience, precision, and love. Dorothy Hodgkin once said, "I was lucky to be a chemist, to be able to look into molecules and see life's inner harmony." She didn't just see molecules. She saw the invisible poetry of existence, and taught the world to look deeper, until knowledge itself became art.